Little Champs family. I said good evening. Still, I didn't got your voice. Good evening. Thank you. I, Mukesh Chanpa, the principal of International Delhi Public School. Thank you for giving me the chance to speak and to share my thoughts, my view with you. The crowd is huge and the students, they have performed very nicely. I gotten a small word was continuously roaming in my mind, that change is permanent. You need to change yourself. ચેન્જ બહુ જરૂરી છે. જો ચેન્જ નહીં લઈ આવો ને તો તમે ફેંકાઈ જશો. My mentor said me that change yourself, else change will change you. તમે ચેન્જ થાઓ, નહીં તો ટાઈમ આવશે ને, જનરેશન will change.